Hello, everyone. We have a special speaker announcement for our 2025 Midwest Real Estate Investor Conference, which is being held April 24th through 25th in Grand Rapids, Michigan at the DeVos Place Conference Center. This is the must-attend two-day event for real estate investors at all levels. And I have a very special speaker announcement to make today. Tyler Cauble will be our featured speaker on Think Inside the Box, capitalizing on the self-storage boom. Tyler, we're looking forward to your presentation, and thanks so much for joining me today.
Yeah, Brian, excited to be here and excited to be talking about self-storage at the end of April. It's going to be a lot of fun.
It's going to be great. Self-storage is such a great asset class. Tell our listeners and our viewers what they can expect when they come see you speak on this topic.
Absolutely. I mean, I'm a big fan of self-storage, have been for years. We just bought a 105-unit, already operating self-storage facility about 5 minutes down the street from my house. I'm about to break ground on 350 self-storage units out in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So that'll be a completely ground-up project. And this talk is going to be very actionable. We're going to be going through, one, why self-storage is strong, how you can capitalize on these types of investments. I'm going to walk you through the two deals that we're doing so you can get a full picture of how you can go out and do these deals yourself.
How do you see self-storage performing in 2025? I mean, there's a lot of economic headwinds, tailwinds. What are you expecting this year?
That's a great question. I mean, look, self-storage is one of the better performing assets to have during an economic downturn. We're talking about $75, $100, $125 per month rents. Most people are not willing to even bother moving their stuff out if that's the case, right? They tend to just leave it there. It performed very well during COVID. And I foresee self-storage being strong as we head into the future. You have a lot of millennials, Gen Zers that are inheriting a lot of items from their boomer family members, and they're not necessarily interested in just getting rid of everything. So they're putting it into self-storage. They're moving into smaller and smaller apartment units, and again, not selling their stuff. So they're moving it into self-storage. I think that you do need to be careful about the markets in which you're buying and building, and we'll talk about that as well. But overall, I think it's a very positive outlook for self-storage.
Fantastic. And Tyler, tell us what your favorite hack or app is.
Oh, my favorite app has got to be LandGlide. It is an app that you can get on your phone. I want to say it's maybe $10 a month. But it directly connects into the local tax records. So it's very easy for me to just go on my phone, look up the ownership of a property in 30 seconds, see all the different property lines, all the topography, everything around us. So we can very quickly make decisions on which properties we need to be looking into. So LandGlide, highly recommend it.
Spell that for us. Is it LandGlide?
That's it. LandGlide.
Well, fantastic. Thanks for sharing that. Tyler, I am looking forward to hearing you come speak about self-storage. And you will be with us Thursday, April 24th at 4 p.m. And once again, this is the 2025 Midwest Real Estate Investor Conference, which is being held April 24th and 25th right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan at the DeVos Place Conference Convention Center. And you can go to midwestreiconference.com to get your tickets and find out more. Tyler, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Brian. Looking forward to meeting you.